Sayyidina Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu relates, ارتحلت الدنيا مدبرة وارتحلت الآخرة مقبلة. As every day passes, this dunya is coming to an end. For everything there's a fixed time. For everything there's a fixed time. There's a fixed time even for the heavens and the earth. Every day passes, every second passes. This dunya is coming to an end, and the akhirah, the next life, the hereafter, is coming closer and closer and closer. وَلِكُلِّ وَاحِدٍ مِّنْهُمَا بَنُونَ. And each one of the two, the dunya has children and the akhirah has children. The dunya has people and sons inclined towards it. You know, people that work day and night just to acquire pounds and pounds. People that work day and night so they can buy 5 cars. People that work day and night so they can buy 2-3 bungalows. The dunya has children, the akhirah has children. Those that suppress their desires and try their utmost best to please Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam and do as much good as they possibly can. Each one of the two has children. Sayyidina Ali radiallahu ta'ala says, O Muslimano, wisen up. لا تكونوا من أبناء الدنيا. لا تكونوا من أبناء الدنيا. O Muslimano, فكونوا من أبناء الآخرة. Become the sons of the akhirah. Those that work for the hereafter. Those that strive and sacrifice to acquire the pleasure of Allah and His Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wisen up. Become the sons of the akhirah. Do not become the sons of the dunya. Why? فَإِنَّ الْيَوْمَ أَمَلٌ وَلَا حِسَابٌ. Whilst you're alive at this moment in time and you're breathing, you're in the dunya, you have this opportunity to perform good, to do good. وَلَا حِسَابٌ. And whilst you're here, my young friend, there is no accountability. Allah will not hold you account to anything. But tomorrow, غَدًا حِسَابٌ وَلَا عَمَلٌ. Tomorrow you say to the Lord of the Arsh and Kursi, Oh Allah, I beg you, لو أن لي كرة فنكون من المؤمنين. Oh Allah, I beg you, give me another chance. Send me back to that dunya and I will believe. I will declare the kalima La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Oh Allah, I will put my head in prostration and I will not get out of prostration till you take my soul from my body. Oh Allah, I will donate in your path. I will help the poor needy. Oh Allah, I beg you, just give me one chance and I will prove it to you and I will show you how good and pious servant I am, an obedient servant I am. My young friends, on that day, you can beg as much as you like. You can ask as many times as you like. غَدًا حِسَابٌ وَلَا عَمَلٌ. On that day, you will not be given the opportunity to go back in the dunya and prove yourself. You only have one chance. It is up to you. Either from the Ashabul Yameen, either from the Ashabul Shimal. There will be hisab, there will be accountability. You will be asked with regards to your salah. You will be asked with regards to your zakah. You will be asked with regards to the people. My friends, an umrihi fima afna, wa an shababihi fima abla, wa an malihi min ayna iqtasaba, wa fima anfaqa, wa an ilmihi madha amila fi. You will be asked with regards to your youth. Every day of your youth, when you were strong and you could worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because you had the strength to do a lot of good deeds, you will be asked, how did you spend your days of youth? One umrihi fima abna. Your life, we gave you 80 years. We gave you 65 years. We told you what your purpose in creation was. Tell me, what did you do with the 65 years of life that I gave you? One amali, one ilmihi madha amila fi. With regards to the knowledge that you had, how did you act upon it? Where you got this wealth from? Where did you spend it? My friends, on that day, every single deed that you perform, every word that your tongue uttered, there will be accountability. There will be accountability. My young friend, it doesn't come any simpler than this. You know, you do not need to be a rocket science. This is not rocket science. It does not come any more simpler than this. It does not come any more plainer than this. And it does not come any easier than this. Simple. فَكُونُوا مِنْ أَبْنَاءِ الْآخِرَةِ وَلَا تُكُونُوا مِنْ أَبْنَاءِ الدُّنْيَا.